Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to send messages without a Wi-Fi or cellular connection on your iPhone. Available to iPhone 14 and newer models in the United States and Canada, the messages via satellite feature allowed users to send iMessage and SMS text including emojis and tapbacks through satellite connections when regular networks are unavailable. This service leverages the same infrastructure Apple designed for emergency SOS via satellite, but it doesn't require an emergency to use. Currently, the feature is offered at no extra cost either. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the apps option. And then you have to choose the messages option. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the satellite connection demo. This demo will walk you through how to connect to a satellite and send messages, thereby giving you useful experience for when this feature may be needed in real-life situations or emergency. It's worth pointing out that the current version doesn't support Rich Communication Services aka RCS. However, Apple is working to improve and bridge the remaining gap between traditional and satellite-based communications by expanding the features through a future iOS update, and that's about it. If I found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.